y'all, it's Lynn. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be doing some cleanup. And we thought we'd share with y'all what we're going to be doing and let you see how bad kudzu is. If you ever get kudzu, try to get rid of it fast. This stuff is awful. So come on, first thing we're going to do is get this buggy cranked and get it loaded. This is where it all started. Clearing off the lot. And now here's a few pictures of what the lot looked like cleared. Laying the footings and getting ready for the foundation. And when he started this, it was around the same time strange things happened. Hey y'all, and welcome back. In today's video, I'm showing y'all where we're cleaning up a foundation where Travis had got a lot and started right when COVID hit. And all the building materials went up. So we had to put it on hold because it was so high, the materials were, we couldn't afford to finish it. And this is what it looks like now. The kudzu has went crazy. So in today's video, we're going to show y'all how we're trying to clean up this lot and get this kudzu off of our foundation and get started. None of it done today. He's almost finished. He had to take a break. It's hot out here. But this is how we're spending our day. Out here cleaning up this foundation. Now this is the saw blade that he's been using on that big weed eater. It'll cut down a real little tree branch, and it cuts briars, and he's working on the kudzu. And this is what he's been using, so it's got a dull. So tonight he's going to sharpen it and get ready for back to work tomorrow. Now he's going to test it out and see if it got sharpened good. Looks like it's sharp to me. Look at them branches just falling so easy. This is the next day. We're back at it. This right here is what kudzu looks like, y'all. If you ever get it, you better get it took care of fast, because this stuff is a total mess. And it is very hard to get cleaned up. Now, after all the kudzu, briars, and trees have been cut down, look how pretty this side of the foundation looks. She's looking a lot better. Okay, y'all, this is what it's looking like after 2 weekends of hard work. It's getting there. It's been a very hot job because it's been so hot down here in the south. But he's getting there a little bit at a time. And we'll be sharing more of this as we start this house. This is a big project and a lot of work, but I think we're making progress. I think it looks great.